अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये क्लास 8 है, सब्जेक्ट साइंस, टॉपिक कंबशन एंड फ्लेम।
Question number 1. List the conditions under which combustion can take place. Answer. Conditions under which combustion can take place are availability of fuel, air to supply oxygen and heat to reduce the temperature of the fuel beyond the ignition temperature. Question number 2. Explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced pollution in our cities. Answer. CNG is a clear fuel. The use of diesel and petrol as fuels is being replaced by CNG because CNG produces the harmful products in very small amounts, thus reducing pollution in our cities. Question number 4. Compare LPG and wood as fuel. Answer. LPG. It does not produce smoke and causes less pollution. It is refined from petroleum, which is obtained from rocks inside earth, hence environment is not harmed. It has more calorific value. It is easy to store. It has low ignition temperature. Wood. It creates lot of smoke and pollution. Trees are cut to obtain wood. Cutting of wood leads to deforestation. It has less calorific value. It needs a lot of space to store. It has high ignition temperature. Question number 5. Give reasons why. A part. Water is not used to control fires involving electric equipment. Answer. Since water is good conductor of electricity, therefore it is not used to control fires involving electric equipment. It could harm the firemen. B part. LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Answer. LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood because it has high calorific value than wood. It does not produce smoke unlike wood. It is easy to store and transport. C part. Paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminum pipe does not. Answer. When a piece of paper is wrapped around an aluminum pipe, the heat gets transferred to aluminum by conduction. So, in the presence of aluminum, the ignition temperature of aluminum is increased considerably, hence it does not burn easily. Question number 6. Make a label diagram of a candle flame and name different zones of a flame.
ये कैंडल फ्लेम की एक डायग्राम है। इसके जोन्स क्या क्या है, इसके पार्ट्स है। ये आउटर जोन, इसको आउटर जोन कहते हैं, ये ब्लू कलर का होता है। इसको मिडिल जोन कहते हैं, ये येलो कलर का होता है। और इसको लोअर जोन कहते हैं, ये ब्लैक कलर का होता है। और ये अनबर्नड होता है, ये नहीं जला हुआ होता है। यहाँ पर ये जो होता है ये हॉटेस्ट पार्ट होता है। यहाँ पर ये सबसे ज़्यादा हॉट होता है। ये मॉडरेटली हॉट होता है, ये उतना हॉट नहीं होता है। यहाँ पर सबसे कम हॉट होता है। और ये जो है ये वैक्स कैंडल है। Question number 7. Name the unit in which the calorific value of a fuel is expressed. Answer. Kilojoule per kg is the unit in which the calorific value of fuel is expressed. Question number 8. Explain how carbon dioxide is able to control fires. Answer. Carbon dioxide, being heavier than oxygen, covers the fire like a blanket. Since the contact between the fuel and oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. Question number 9. It is difficult to burn a heap of green leaves, but dry leaves catch fire easily. Explain. Answer. Green leaves possess water content, therefore a heap of green leaves do not catch fire easily compared to dry leaves. Question number 10. Which zone of a flame does a goldsmith use for melting gold and silver, and why? Answer. Goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blow pipe for melting gold and silver because it is the hottest zone of a flame. Question number 11. In an experiment, 4.5 kg of a fuel was completely burnt. The heat produced was measured to be 1,80,000 kilojoule. Calculate the calorific value of the fuel. Answer. Content of fuel is equal to 4.5 kg. Amount of heat produced is equal to 1,80,000 joule. Therefore, calorific value of the fuel is equal to 1,80,000 divided by 4.5 is equal to 40,000 kilojoule per kg. Question number 12. Can the process of rusting be called combustion? Discuss. Answer. Since rusting of iron in presence of oxygen and moisture does not produce heat, therefore rusting cannot be called combustion. Question number 13.
Question number 13. Abida and Ramesh were doing an experiment in which water was to be heated in a beaker. Abida kept the beaker near the wick in the yellow part of the candle flame. Ramesh keeps the beaker in the middle part of the flame. Whose water will get heated in a shorter time? Answer. Ramesh's water will get heated in a shorter time because outermost part of the flame is the hottest part of flame.